In this video, I will show you how to launch Facebook ads on UpHex. So to do this, first go and open up UpHex. If you have not yet created your account, then you can claim a 14-day free trial to UpHex through the link down in the description. So after doing that, from here in the My Clients section, you can first add your client if you haven't done so yet. Then here click on Launch New Campaign, then choose which client you are launching it for. For example, take this one, then here select Facebook, and then here you can connect your Facebook account. But before you do that, what I recommend you to do is go to the template library to actually find an ad that you want to run on Facebook. And for example, I'll go restaurant and bar right here. Then let's say that this is a restaurant, then I'll click on it right there. Then when you scroll down past the Google ads, then right here you will see the Facebook ad templates. So right here you can then choose one of these ads. You will see how much they have been used right here. So just find one that you like. For example, I will take the one at the top right here. And then you can click on preview or just on details. And if you click details, you can then click import to my account. Then here for the platform, choose Facebook. Then here you will see all of your templates, so just select the one that you want to use. In my case, it's this one right here, so I'll click on it. And then here you will see the actual ad. So now that you have made sure that it is in your templates, you can go back to the My Clients, click Launch New Campaign, select the client again, select Facebook, and then you will be back here. From here, just connect the Facebook account that you want to run ads on and make sure that they have a Facebook ad account enabled so that you can actually start running ads, and you can then just pick the template and then activate the campaign. So now you know how to use UpHex for Facebook ads. Now many people use UpHex together with GoHighLevel. If you also want to do that and you have not yet created your GoHighLevel account, then through the link down in the description you can claim an extended 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days offered by GoHighLevel. And again, if you want to get started with UpHex, you can also claim a 14-day free trial through the link in the description. So now you know how to use UpHex for Facebook ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.